Welcome to this tutorial on how to install the SARS Employer. SARS has launched SARS version 8. The platform has been redesigned to enhance your filing experience. Version 8 replaces all previous versions of the software, effective 1st of March 2025. Please download version 8 to familiarize yourself with the new features. To download the software, go to the SARS e-filing website on sarsefiling.co.za, then click on the SARS Employer icon. This will take you to the SARS download page. These are the requirements for the new and improved SARS version 8. For Windows users, Windows 10 64-bit is required. The new SARS requires 8 GB RAM and 2 GB hard drive space to be installed. Remember, additional space will be required as your employer database increases over time. These requirements can be found on the SARS download page. Go to the Windows download icon and click on Download. A pop-up screen will be shown, reminding you to back up your old pay-as-you-earn data, as installing the new version may delete the old data. Click on Yes to acknowledge. Complete the information in order to download SARS. Read the terms and conditions carefully and tick I agree. Then click on the Proceed button to start the download process. The new SARS version 8 will start downloading. When the download is complete, double-click the Setup SARS Employer to start the installation process. After the installation is complete, the SARS application will check for any available updates. If there are no updates available, the SARS will open the database registration screen. Complete the PAYE reference number that is relevant to your e-filing profile. Then enter your e-filing username and password. Remember, where a PAYE registration is not applicable, the entity's income tax reference number can be entered. Click on Verify to proceed. After you have been verified successfully by the system, create your admin username and password. Then tick on Allow CSV editing. Then tick on I understand, where it shows, should you lose or forget your password, SARS e-filing and SARS will not be able to retrieve or reset it. When you're done, click on Register. You will then be presented with the new SARS login page. Type in your admin username in capital letters and the password you have created for SARS. Click on Login to SARS. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video on how to add the employer and employees on SARS Employer. SARS, at your service.